All right, what is good, 1% effects gang? I'm going to be doing a little breakdown of this Euro JPY long that we took this week on the Learn and Earn. As you can see right here, we hit 40p for about 3.5R. It's a very nice trade. It played out very quickly, and it's just a nice way to end the week. To be honest with you, we've been going pretty nicely on the Learn and Earn. But yeah, I'm just going to break down this trade the same way that I broke it down live in real time. So initially, what I was seeing right here is price action was quite clearly to the upside. Bear in mind we're on the 5 minute time frame here because I like to scalp. I like the smaller intraday moves. So we're in a quite a nice uptrend. Again, if you look further left, we're just trending up. We're trending up. We're pushing. So I was pretty set in my bias. I confirmed euro strength with a few of the other euro pairs. So I just confirmed that euro was strong at that time, or we were gaining some strength. Um, Meanwhile, while that was happening, the yen was actually weakening. So all the yen pairs were actually bullish as it is. Combine that with euro strength, and you have a pair that wants to push to the upside. So initially, what I saw was price came up into this key level. This is actually drawn from further left. It's from a previous swing high on the hourly. So it came up into this level and naturally had a little small retracement move down. If you know how price action likes to move, we kind of move in these two phases of pushing, exhausting back down, and then another push. Pushing, exhausting back down, and then another huge push. So I was anticipating the largest leg of structure. If you know about Elliott wave theory and you know about how price action likes to move in these waves, I was anticipating that we're going to have that nice little push to the upside. So again, we came up into this key level, had that retracement back down into a previous level where price had held. So I knew there was an area here was consolidating this volume in this area. Price came and we held this level. We were rejecting, we were depleting. I was noticing that price didn't want to break back below. So it wasn't enough confidence for me to take the trade at the time, but we then printed this bullish candle to the upside, which closed above this wick. Not quite above, but the market's never perfect. But that showed me that change of character, that sentiment shift that, okay, we're ready to push up. And from my back testing, because I've traded EJ a lot over the years, I know that we wanted to get moving after that. It was ready for that next move. So I entered on the candle closure with my stop just a little bit, a little bit below structure, just in case price did want to wick, because certain times you just need to give price action a bit of breathing room, spread as well, like all these other factors. But that's why it was there. I could have had it tighter, but anyways, we took that trade with my TP up here somewhere. I believe originally it was probably at like 140, 300, somewhere up here. But as you can see, there's no traffic to the left. There's no other like swing highs. There's nothing that price could have come into. But we had that huge move up, and I saw a lot of momentum, so I ended up swinging it a little bit higher. I held it a little bit longer, and yeah, I just felt like taking profit here because I don't know, we were rejecting, I believe, at the time, and we had a little bearish candle, and I just thought, fuck it, let's take that trade. That move is done, and then after we took profit, price just retraced back down. So very, very simple trade, just purely based off of currency strength, identifying 5 minute structure, 5 minute key levels, seeing that shift in momentum, seeing that shift in behavior, taking the trade and shutting it after the move had exhausted. So not shutting it early, holding it for that whole duration, that whole like period of momentum, and then closing it and not getting greedy and trying to swing it up to like fucking Narnia. Because a lot of people do that. They'll see a trade like this that goes past their TP and they'll be in more profit and they'll end up just holding it too long until it retraces back. But you need to understand that each wave, each leg of structure will only be so big. So you'd rather shut it a little bit before the top than get caught on the way back down. But yeah, that was just a simple breakdown. I'll see everyone probably tomorrow. I might do a live psychology webinar, something along those lines. But let me know if you guys enjoyed this little breakdown.